Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we have Black Decker 126 pieces hand tool set. This is a very hand and useful kit we have. So let's begin with the unboxing of this set. It is consisting of different spanners, one hand saw, 10-bit set, 9 LED flashlight, 4 precision screwdrivers, 5-meter insulated tape, 3-meter measure tape, 8 adjustable wrench, hex keys, claw hammer, 6 long nose pliers, 6 combination plier, bit driver, screwdrivers, 140 mm tester, 18 mm knife. So this is one of the best toolkit. So let's have unboxing for this. It came with a very good protective plastic case. Let's just begin with the... So here we have 126 pieces Black Decker hand tool kit. As you can see, it's come with a lot good package. We have combination plier, nose plier, hand saw, hex keys, knife cutter, tester, and this is a very good quality. It can be used for electronics purposes as well as the electrical applications. We have a small hammer, the adjustable wrench. I think it can be adjusted to different positions. Here we have flashlight. I don't think it comes with the battery. Let's just open it. No, it's empty. We need to add the battery on it. Here we have a 3-meter measuring tape. It can be used for different type of measurement applications. The screwdrivers, along with all these tools, they also provide some accessories for holes and clips, screws, different type of things is coming with this package. These hex keys, I think, is not that much industrial grade, but it can be applicable for domestic use. The maximum size is 13 mm and the minimum size is, I think, 6 mm. Let's just take it out. No, it's 5 mm. Different screwdriver set. The hex keys. They also provided a little electric tape, insulation tape. It's quite handy kit. You can carry it if you are a regular person who needs these type of tools. So you can have this Black Decker hand tool kit. It comes with all the electrical and electronics requirement tools, whatever you need in doing these type of works. The knife is quite sharp. One thing that I think it should contain in the same set is the cutter plier and the wire stripper. I am not seeing these two things in this kit, but nevertheless this is still a good quality kit. So this is the unboxing review for the Black Decker 126 pieces hand tool set. I hope you like it. If you like it, kindly share, subscribe and comment below. Thank you so much for watching.